Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 14.5 question number 1. Draw AB of length 7.3 centimeter and find its axis of symmetry. Right? Let us draw AB of length 7.3 centimeter and find its axis of symmetry. Right? Let us draw a line. First of all, let us take a ruler. Here is the ruler, right? We have taken a ruler. We will draw a AB of length 7.3 centimeter, right? Here we will draw 7.3 centimeter. That is we will draw a length of 7.3 centimeter. Let us draw a line of length 7.3 centimeter. That is 7, 7.1, 2, 7.3, right? This is 7.3 centimeter, right? This is 7.3 centimeter, right? Now here we have drawn a line AB of length 7.3 centimeter and find its axis of symmetry. First, let us write the name of this line. The name of this line is the name of this line is AB. Here it is AB. We are writing the name here A, and this is B. Right? Now find its axis of symmetry. To find the axis of symmetry, we have to bisect this line segment, right? Then we have to take a protect. We have to take. Then we have to take a compass. Let us take a compass. We are taking a compass, right? Then here here we'll put the pointer at the point A with point A as center, with point A as center, with point A as center, right? This taken we have taken with point A as center. Let us take a curve more. Let us take a distance more than half of AB. We are taking more than half of AB. More than half of AB. Right? Now taking this point at a right? We'll take a curve here. Let us take a curve, right? And this curve again, let us take this as point A and let us take another curve here. This is point A. Let us take another curve here, right? Now here we take this pointer on point B, this pointer on point B this one, and let us move this, take this point on B, this is point B, and if we take a curve here, right? Again, we will take this point on B, right? And taking another curve here, we are getting a point right here. That we got 2 point. We got 2 point here. Then you have to join this line with this line to get the axis of symmetry. Let us take the scale. Let us take the ruler. Right? Now, if I draw a line here with the help of the ruler, right? Right? That is, it cuts the line segment AB at point P, right? It cuts the line segment at point P. Here you see, this is P point, this point is P, right? Therefore, draw a line of length AB 7.3 centimeter. We have taken AB, the length of AB is equal to 7.3 centimeter, 7.3 centimeter, and find its axis of symmetry. Here we take the name CD, C, and this point is D, right? CD or CPD is the axis of symmetry. Here CPD is the axis of symmetry, is the axis of symmetry, right? This is the axis of symmetry. Therefore, you have drawn a length of line AB and bisect this line AB with the help of ruler and compass, right? And you're getting the point line CPD. Therefore, you can say that CPD is the axis of symmetry, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.